AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. Yan po itong Radeon Vega 7 graphics. So we don't need a dedicated GPU to display the motherboard. ASUS Prime A5 20K. Ito Ryzen 5000 ready at saka 3rd gen Ryzen desktop ready, pero not compatible with AMD Ryzen 5 3400G and AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. Crucial P2 NVMe M2 SSD with a 500 gigabytes of storage capacity. GeForce DDR4 gaming Vulcan. This is a TUF version or TUF Gaming Alliance version. 16 gigs of DDR2 3200 CL16. Our PSU ST50FES230 500 watts 80 plus white. And the next our CPU case. This is the Techwear Nexus M2 Air. Naka tempered glass panel. To open the tempered glass, pull here. Saan kapag pull ano? Wala pa siyang pull. Paano to? Saan natin na siya kawit siya? Or yan na ba idoot yan na chok? Laman. Ano pang ito no piso.
Nanalan mo siya.
Yan ang gamit ng piso. The judgment day has come.
Pass or na.
Pass or fail. Lo. Ay, gasiga. Lo. Anti-RGB mo ni siya, wala ni kuan. Paso ganin eh. Something's wrong. Wag yapo. Ay, on ano eh. On. Kuroy. Okay, kumana yung PC. Yun. AMD Ryzen 5 5600G with Radeon Graphics. So, gumana po yung ating integrated graphics. Total memory 16 gigs at naka DDR4 to 400 because hindi pa natin na-enable yung DOCP. So, meron tayong keyboard, mouse, na-detect pa na, at saka yung M2, crucial NVMe SSD P2.
The next morning.
Okay, let's turn on the PSU. turned on, and when the PSU is on but the system is off, it consumes around 1.7 watts. So, turn on. Now, when the system is turned on, it consumes 40, 41, 43, 55, 63, 64, 61. Okay, on desktop, and consumes roughly 25 to 30 watts. Anti-RGB setup. No RGB inside. Versus RGB setup. Oh boy.